Hello, one of the challenges in maintaining a consistent mindset is sustaining focus and concentration throughout the day on the goal we want to achieve. That's why for my short film timer, How to Maintain a Constant Positivity Throughout the Day, I've decided to create a longer, expanded version in which I'll add a few more details. Sometimes we're busy from the morning rush with work, kids to school, so we remind ourselves to read positive affirmations or watch them in the evening, but for the rest of the day, we're in a hurry, stressed, everywhere else with our senses, yet not attracting our goal. Then, consciously, we regret and know that we've dedicated too little time to the desired things. That's why I've recorded a film to use a simple thing that each of us uses in today's times, a device like our smartphone. I set an alarm to ring every 30 minutes, and for example, if we want health, we have some health issues, and every 30 minutes when the alarm goes off on our phone during the day, we create a feeling of health. We tell ourselves, you're a symbol of health, you're happy that you're healthy. Remember, it doesn't matter where you are, what place you're in, or who's around you, no one knows what you're thinking. So, the alarm goes off, and you create your reality, then you carry out your daily duties. In 30 minutes, the phone rings again, reminding you not to think about nonsense or clutter your mind with something unimportant. You repeat the same process again. So, if you forget, your phone reminds you. This method can be applied in various directions. For example, if someone experiences intrusive negative thoughts during the day, or thoughts filled with worries and similar concerns combined with negative emotions and feelings, when the phone rings, ask yourself how you feel. Is what I'm thinking and feeling good for me? Then, you create positive thoughts and feelings within yourself by recalling a pleasant past event. Tell yourself, this determines how I feel now, and I choose to feel excellent and radiate love and positive energy. In half an hour, the phone will ring again, and you'll repeat this process. This way, you'll change your habits to feel good and overcome negative thoughts such as fear, self-doubt, worry, depressive thoughts, and so on. Over time, it will become a habit for you to confidently face difficulties and the duties of everyday life with a smile and peace. Another example of how you can apply this and energize your goal is as follows. Let's say you want to buy a lawnmower for $500 and/or euros. You decide to put $1 in a piggy bank each day, so you need 500 days to save up the required amount for the lawnmower. However, if you save $50 and each day, you'll accumulate the necessary sum in 10 days. The same principle applies to manifestation. I know sometimes it's enough to just write down and visualize once, but here we're talking about quickly energizing goals. So, every half an hour, when the phone rings, it reminds you to stay focused on your dreams, and you activate greater and greater energy. It's like rolling a snowball in winter to make a snowman. A small snowball gathers little snow, and after some time, the big snowball becomes even bigger, until you have 3 to make a snowman. This is how it works with the energy ball that creates your reality. Being a small energy ball of manifestation with low attraction energy, you'd want something big immediately, while spending most of the day attracting not what you want. So, if you energize something 40 times a day or change your mental habits 40 times a day, that's a total of 1,200 times in a month. It's like reading a poem repeatedly until your mind memorizes it, and similarly your subconscious attraction will replace other energies with the one you desire. Thank you for listening. If the advice on manifestation has been helpful, please like and subscribe. Best regards, TFC.